What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. OMNI Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Free Python Summer Camp. Beginner to pro in weeks. Ready to start your programming journey? Join our free Python Summer Camp and build practical coding skills from the ground up. Whether you're a student, beginner, or career switcher, this camp is designed to help you learn Python through hands-on practice and real-world projects. What you'll learn: Python fundamentals and programming basics, variables, data types, loops, and functions, object-oriented programming, file handling and error management, working with Python libraries, automation and scripting, introduction to data analysis, mini projects to build your portfolio, coding best practices, and problem-solving techniques. Who should join? Students and fresh graduates, beginners with no coding experience, IT professionals looking to upskill, anyone interested in programming or AI. Why attend? Live online instructor-led sessions, practical exercises and coding challenges. Learn by building real projects, certificate of participation, guidance on Python career paths, and advanced learning. Welcome to OMNI Academy's free Python Summer Camp, beginner to pro in weeks. I'm excited to have all of you here today. Whether you are completely new to programming or you already have some technical background, this workshop is designed to help you understand Python and how you can start building your programming skills step by step. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. How many of you have heard about Python, but never actually written a Python program? Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world because of its simplicity, flexibility, and wide range of applications, from web development and automation to artificial intelligence and data science. Python is being used across industries. Today, we will explore what Python is, why it is important, and how you can start your journey from beginner level toward becoming a confident Python developer. Introduction to Python. Let's start with the basics. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language created by Guido van Rossum. It was designed with a focus on simplicity and readability, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners. Unlike some programming languages that require complex syntax, Python allows you to write simple and understandable code. For example, printing a message in Python requires only one line: "Hello world." This simplicity is one of the reasons why Python is widely used by beginners, developers, researchers, and companies. Today, Python is used in software development, web applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, cybersecurity testing. Part 2. Why learn Python? Now the question is, why should you learn Python? The first reason is demand. Python developers are needed in many industries because organizations are adopting automation, AI, and data-driven solutions. The second reason is versatility. With one programming language, you can explore multiple career paths including Python developer, data analyst, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, automation developer, back-end developer. The third reason is community support. Python has a massive global community with thousands of libraries, frameworks, and learning resources available. Setting up Python environment. Before writing Python code, we need to set up our environment. The common tools developers use are Python Interpreter, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook. VS Code is a popular code editor because it provides useful features like syntax highlighting, debugging, and extensions. Once our environment is ready, we can start writing and executing Python programs. Python basics, variables, and data types. Let's move towards Python fundamentals. Variables are used to store information. For example, we can store a person's name, age, or any value inside a variable. Python automatically understands the data type, so developers do not need to manually define it. Common data types include strings, integers, floats, Boolean values. Understanding data types is the foundation of programming. Part 5. Conditional statements. In programming, we often need our applications to make decisions. For example, if a student gets a certain percentage, display passed. If the condition is true, one action happens. Otherwise, another action happens. Python uses if, elif, else. These statements help us create intelligent programs. Part 6. Loops. Imagine we need to repeat the same task multiple times. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we use loops. Python provides for loops, while loops. Loops are used everywhere, from processing large amounts of data to creating automated systems. Part 7. Functions. Functions allow us to organize our code and reuse it. Instead of writing the same instructions repeatedly, we create a function once and use it whenever needed. Functions make programs cleaner, easier to maintain, more professional. Object-oriented programming, OOP. As we move from beginner-level programming toward professional software development, one of the most important concepts we need to understand is object-oriented programming, commonly known as OOP. In the beginning, when we write small programs, simple functions and basic logic may be enough. But as applications become larger and more complex, managing thousands of lines of code becomes challenging. This is where OOP helps developers create programs that are more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. Object-oriented programming is a programming approach where we structure our code around objects. These objects represent real-world entities and contain both data and functions related to that data. For example, if we are creating a student management system, a student can be an object that contains information like student name, roll number, course details, marks, and it can perform actions like updating information, displaying details, calculating results. The four main concepts of OOP are 1. Classes. A class is like a blueprint or a template used to create objects. For example, a student class can define what information every student object should have and what actions it can perform. 2. Objects. Objects are created from classes. They represent actual instances of that blueprint. For example, Ahmed, Sarah, and Ali can all be different student objects created from the same student class. 3. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to use the properties and functions of another class. This helps developers avoid repeating code and makes applications easier to expand. For example, a general employee class can be extended into different classes like developer, manager, or designer. 4. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means keeping data and functions together inside a single unit while controlling how that data is accessed. It helps improve security and maintain better code structure. Many professional Python applications use OOP concepts because it allows developers to build scalable systems that can grow over time. Understanding OOP is an important step for anyone who wants to become a professional Python developer. Python practical applications. Now let's discuss where Python is being used in the real world and why it has become one of the most valuable programming languages today. Python is not limited to learning programming basics. It is used by startups, technology companies, researchers, and large organizations to solve real-world problems. Let's explore some major areas where Python is making an impact. artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is one of the leading programming languages for artificial intelligence and machine learning. The reason behind its popularity is the availability of powerful libraries and frameworks. Some popular Python AI libraries include TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Keras. These tools help developers build intelligent systems that can learn from data and make predictions. Examples of AI applications built using Python include chatbots, recommendation systems, image recognition, voice assistants, predictive analysis. Many modern AI solutions use Python as their primary development language. Data science and analytics. Another major field where Python is widely used is data science. Today, organizations collect massive amounts of data, but the real value comes from analyzing that data and finding useful insights. Python helps data professionals clean and process data, analyze trends, create visual reports, build predictive models. Companies use Python-based data analysis to make better business decisions and understand customer behavior. Automation and scripting. Python is also very popular for automation. Many repetitive tasks that require manual effort can be automated using Python scripts. For example, managing files, sending automated emails, generating reports, processing large amounts of information, automating business workflows. Automation helps organizations save time, reduce errors, and improve productivity. Web development. Python is also widely used for building websites and web applications. Frameworks like Django, Flask, FastAPI allow developers to create powerful and secure web applications. Many companies use Python frameworks to develop back-end systems, APIs, and online platforms. Mini project demonstration. Now let's move towards a practical example to understand how Python concepts are applied in real projects. A beginner-friendly project idea we can create using Python is a student management system. The purpose of this project is to manage student information digitally instead of maintaining records manually. The system can include different features such as adding student records. Users can enter student information such as name, roll number, course, marks, contact details, searching information. The system can allow users to search for a specific student record quickly. Updating details. If any information changes, users can update existing records without creating new entries. Saving data. The application can store student information so that data remains available for future use. Through this project, beginners can understand how different Python concepts work together, including variables, functions, conditional statements, loops, data structures, file handling, object-oriented programming. Projects like these are extremely important because programming skills improve when you apply your knowledge to solve real problems. By building multiple small projects, you gradually develop the confidence needed to work on professional-level applications. Python Career Roadmap. Now that we have explored Python fundamentals, practical applications, and projects, let's discuss how you can build a successful career with Python. Learning Python is not only about writing code. It is about developing problem-solving skills, building real applications, and preparing yourself for opportunities in the technology industry. Let's explore the Python Career Roadmap step by step. Step 1. Learn Python fundamentals. The first step is building a strong foundation. You need to understand core Python concepts including variables and data types, operators, conditional statements, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries and tuples, error handling, file handling. These concepts are the foundation of every Python application. A strong base makes it easier to learn advanced topics and develop professional-level skills. Step 2. Practice coding regularly. Programming improves through practice. Watching tutorials is helpful, but real learning happens when you write code, solve problems, and build small applications. Start with beginner projects like simple calculators, games, data processing tasks, automation scripts. Regular practice helps you improve your logical thinking, and become more confident as a developer. Step 3. Learn advanced Python concepts. After mastering the basics, move towards professional concepts like object-oriented programming, OOP. Learn how to create structured and scalable applications using classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. Databases. Understand how Python connects with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB to store and manage information. APIs and libraries. Learn how applications communicate with external services and use Python libraries to build powerful solutions. Step 4. Choose your specialization. Python offers multiple career paths. Choose an area based on your interests. Web development. Learn frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI to build websites and back-end applications. Career roles: Python developer, back-end developer, API developer. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Explore AI models, machine learning algorithms, and intelligent applications. Career roles: AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist. Data science. Learn data analysis, visualization, and predictive modeling to extract insights from data. Career roles: data analyst, business intelligence specialist, automation. Use Python to create scripts that automate repetitive tasks and improve productivity. Career roles: automation developer, Python scripting specialist. Step 5. Build projects and portfolio. The final step is applying your knowledge through real projects. Create projects like student management system, expense tracker, web applications, data analysis reports, automation tools, AI projects. A strong portfolio helps you demonstrate your skills and increases your chances of getting internships, jobs, or freelance opportunities. Remember, becoming a Python professional requires continuous learning, practice, and building real-world projects. Start small, stay consistent, and keep improving your skills. Before we end today's session, we have an exciting opportunity for all workshop participants. As a special benefit for attending this free Python summer camp, beginner to pro in weeks, you can get an exclusive 20% discount on OMNI Academy's professional training programs. This special offer is available for 7 days only, giving you the opportunity to continue your learning journey with additional guidance and industry-focused training. If you are serious about improving your technical skills and building a career in technology, this is the right time to take the next step. At OMNI Academy, you can explore professional programs in areas including Python programming, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, digital marketing, ERP technologies, web development, and other in-demand technology skills. Our programs are designed to help learners develop practical knowledge, work on real-world concepts, and prepare for career opportunities. Along with training opportunities, you can also explore career resources through the OMNI Jobs and Internship Portal, where you can stay updated with relevant job openings, internships, and career opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe to our OMNI Jobs WhatsApp channel to receive regular updates about new opportunities, career resources, and industry openings. Thank you everyone for joining OMNI Academy's free Python summer camp, beginner to pro in weeks. We hope this workshop helped you understand the possibilities of Python and gave you a clear direction for starting your programming journey. Remember, success in programming comes through continuous learning, regular practice, and building real projects. Keep learning, keep practicing, and continue developing your skills for the future. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming workshops and professional training programs. Visit OMNI Academy today and take the next step toward building your technology career.